Aloha everyone, this is the Radiant Star here, and guess where I am? I'll give you 3 seconds to guess that. 2, 3, did you guess it? I'm hiking in nature. Okay, now that you guys know we're hiking in nature, let's look at the beautiful view. What we can see back there, what we have on the side of us, in front, all the trees that I can climb that I'm about to go, and then we have over here, I found a white flower. There's a purple flower growing in the middle of the white flowers. Here I have 2 flowers. One is purple and white. The other one is just white. And you can find a lot of these. I don't know what they are, but I see them falling from the trees and I find them on the ground. And I just pick them up from the ground. And they're very nice to, like, twist. You can get multiple of them and then you can just put one in. Do that. I broke it. What? Thank you guys for watching. I want to make this a little short for you guys. I hope you like the wonderful view. Thank you guys for watching. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below who likes and subscribe. Make sure you get a lot of exercise in the nature. Run around, jog, walk, anything you want in the nature. Thank you guys for watching.